Well, I did say I was going to come to you with the second part after everything was finished. It was pointless to me asking you to join me, and I haven't got the wherewithal to know how to edit a video. So basically, all I did after yesterday, the final touches, was I was putting a Maggi cube. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Yeah, I put in one of these. You can get them from any Asian shops. They're called Maggi cubes, and they really make the food taste nice. So I put in one of those, and I put in the onions and the lima beans, and I just let it simmer until it was cooked. It took about an hour and a half, 2 hours. After I did that, the rice and peas, you'll see the video. It's called Reggae Rice and Peas. So that's on the plate now. I kind of garnished it with some cucumber. Normally I put some lettuce and tomatoes on it just to make it look pretty and to give it a bit of colour. But I can tell you, honestly, it absolutely tastes delicious. I've already had 2 plates. So, and I'm looking forward to taking it to work with me tomorrow. Yeah, we've got reggae in the background, and yeah, this is my reggae oxtail. I'll be doing some chicken. I'm not going to tell you how I'm going to make it because, like I said, I'm a pretty spontaneous cooker, and I put bits and pieces together, and I don't do it traditionally, I do it instrumentally. So I go with the vibe, and as long as it tastes good, that's all you need to know. And so you just watch me carefully, because I only do these things once and I don't write them up, so you'll have to stop and start it and get the ingredients. Okay, then I hope you enjoyed it. Oxtail, I know it's not for everybody, but I do tell you, if you like steak, or if you like beef stew, or if you like beef and ale pie, things like that, you're going to love Jamaican oxtail, especially Lady Loy's reggae Jamaican oxtail. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.